We can't underestimate her.
There's a killer already.
It was at this moment I knew I must draw her no matter what. I look at this girl, she's fabulous. Even if evil though. Well, why not yesify? Turn on RTX. Yeah, GeForce. In the frame, yes, this frame. Let's try to make her with shadows, light, more details, giving her that glow up. As you can see, I have already done this type of thing before. And personally, I love it. Let's get into that. Woo! First things first. Tracing! Don't you love tracing? I love tracing. That's right. You're not bad if you're tracing. Did you know that? Just of course, be sure that just to say that you use it as a reference and give credits and not steal people's art because that's bad and blah 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 and Hakuna Matata and blah blah blah. My main focus in this art was not only to make it with shadows and light, but also make it with some cool anime details. Give that cool anime looking. Pretty much just have fun. Have you ever had fun drawing? I'm having that right now. And it's been a long time since I have been doing fan arts for myself. Do fan arts for yourself. You're gonna feel good. That's right. Hey, heck yeah. Give me a high five. Just as how I had loads of fun watching Adventure Time, I'm here having fun with it again with this spin-off. Guys, I swear, this spin-off of Fionna and Cake is amazing. I love every second of it. There are so many cool jokes. If you like it, Adventure Time, this is a totally go for it. Okay, this is your sign. This is what you've been waiting for. Go for it. It's an amazing show. The show is not only the characters that we know, but also with loads of multi-universe and funny situations that I was dying to see and laugh at my whole life in it. I'm not joking, I had some serious laugh crisis in the show, just with some jokes. I'm not going to give spoilers even though I want it. Especially if you are in your 20s starting out adult life, this show can make you identify a little bit too much with it. By having reference to boring work or the life not being the way you want it, maybe you need to change it by being the protagonist and to focus into fantasy and trying to escape that boring reality. Also on the constant thinking of trying to improve things. Not identifiable at all. A nervous laugh. I think this is the first video that I open so much about my opinion and show anything that I like. I show a cartoon. Tell me what you think in the comments below because I want to do more videos like this. Well. After loads of things happening, this is what we get. This Marceline scene. And I'm not going to give spoilers, but appears that she's bad. And she's a lunatic. And she's absurdly evil. She's evil impersonated. And that's my TED talk on why I want to draw her. Thank you very much. Pretty much evil. Oh, cool. Nice. Oh, nice. She's evil. Oh, cool. Also, the nice dress. I love the dress. Seriously, this dress. What the frick, bro? They knew what they were doing. Look at the dress. Those dresses were so wholesome. Cool. I love it. I would use those dresses. I would be using those dresses any day in a stream, in just staying home. I would do that because that's so stylish. She's aesthetic. Is that the name? Aesthetic. She's aesthetic. And I love it. And talking about being aesthetic, we are here focusing on making her look good, adding a little bit of details, like loads of eyelashes, like adding what's the name of the lipstick, and glowing areas, and also making some little hair strands getting out of the hair just to show like, oh, this is so HD, we can see hair going out, just like in the frame, the frame in the cartoon, we can see her hair just going out from the line of the hair, but here we are doing even more of it, and that seems like, wow, so much detail. I love it. So incredible. GabyT, how you're drawing that. I love your art. I just did a stream today and everyone was doing the song, singing the song, oh, let the dog, and now I can't stop barking, and that's not good because I draw furries. Oh no. Let's just forget this happened, right? Let's just forget. Rachel's not going to put this in this video, right? Right? Okay, let's focusing on the aesthetic part. We can see that I focused on each detail, and not only that, making light even brighter, making shadows even darker. I was going all the way in. I was all in. I was totally focused into making certain areas very dark. As an example, her head, her forehead. I was like, she have that evil look. I gotta make like every area closer to the viewer, like the forehead and eyes darker, but not inside the eyes. Inside the eyes, I'm going to make it brighter. So you have that contrast of face being darker and eyes brighter. And people gonna look like, oh, she's scary. Eyes bright and whole face dark. It's like danger because contrast. Contrast gives in people the feeling that something crazy is happening. That's why we use a lot of contrast. Did you know that? I'm learning that. Haha. Well, I used that already, but now I'm learning that in the conscious way. I used to do that in the conscious way. And I know some people may appear with questions like, oh, Gabs, how do you find an art style? You draw furries every single day, those strong, muscular wolves, and you still draw some cool cartoons, and I like your results. How do you do that? Of course, there's more than 15 years of practice, but I know some of you want other answers than that. I know practice is not everything for you guys, but it is. But okay, I'm going to give more answers. So number 1, focus on analyzing your drawing. Not touching, not drawing. Go away and analyze. Just reflect your image. Just reflect your drawing and analyze. Use reference, compare to the reference. Don't be afraid to find the perfect reference of the angle. And if it's too hardcore, just do yourself the same pose in front of a mirror. Take a picture and use it as a reference. This is going to help you much more than having no reference, okay? Another thing to keep in mind is that whenever you are going to draw different styles, you understand that you're going out of your comfort zone. You understand that you're going to need help. You cannot only be based on your mental library. That's right, your mental library is not going to be everything, so you gotta go outside that area. Just like Fionna going into other worlds, and she was exploring to try new stuff and improve who she is and how her life is, you gotta go outside that comfort zone, that daily life, and try different things. Even if you feel in your belly that everything is going to be bad and anxiety and all those things, hold my hand right now. We are going to make it, okay? Take your time, go and try one step by time, and you're going to get into your desired goal. I can tell you that's pretty much it. Not shit, it. Oh my freaking life. Pretty much it. I said it. So, never forget, trying a different art style is about you having references and observing so much, not only your reference, but comparing to your art, and literally just take a moment to observe your art, reflecting it and not reflecting it, seeing by different angles, and really think, what if I did this other thing? What if I stretched the face? In this artwork, I noticed there was so many mistakes in the eyes. That's right, guys. I do so many mistakes as you. I do so much mistakes to get to the level that I am. I needed to be able to be open into making loads of mistakes, and I'm sure you may be in that situation too, that you're like, should I do the mistake? Do the mistake. Let yourself be open to making mistakes and learning, because when a child is learning to walk, the child is not like, oh bro, what the freak, I just did a mistake, I didn't walk right, brr, so cringe. No, what the freak, no, please no. So just go like, heck yeah, try again. And of course, remember to take breaks and everything, drink water, because your body's not a machine. Are you a machine? No, you're not an AI. Please don't. You are a human, and I'm going to give you a high five again. Because I know you're going to give your very best into trying a different art style. And that's pretty much me doing a different art style. Do you want me to see me drawing more humans, less humans, more human furries, more less human furries? Do you want me drawing more cartoons? Do you want me drawing Baldur's Gate 3? Do you want me doing what? Tell me in the comments right now. I love you all. Link in the description for the all-in pack where you can learn with me art. Bye bye, and I'll be seeing you next one. All the love, all the peace. You're awesome, champ.